In this video, I will show you how to get a Hypercharge win in Brawl Stars, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. Hypercharge is a special ability added to a certain brawlers that allow them to supercharge their super attack. To unlock the Hypercharge, you need to focus on upgrading specific brawlers to get a Hypercharge pin. You need to have brawler at level 11. With the Hypercharge ability, unlock this required using power points and coins to upgrade your brawler to the maximum level. Once brawler is at 11 level, you will have to access to Hypercharge, but unlocking the Hypercharge pin is a bit more tricky. It is available through special challenges, often tied to events or seasonal rewards. Then check the Brawl Pass. Keep an eye on the Brawl Pass as Hypercharge pins are more often featured as reward in certain tries. If you subscribe to the Brawl Pass, make sure to read the required tire, claim your pin, participate in the events. Hypercharge pin can also be unlocked by participating in limited time events or challenges. Complete this mission to earn extra rewards including highly covered pin. So keep grinding and check your rewards regularly. Soon you will have your Hypercharge pin to show off. And that's it, you are done.